तकुगे तेरे कुरान अबदल लवा कुरान नूर हयात कुरान.
Assalamu alaikum. Aluganu genamaki Nile. Aluganu uleni UKG. Aluganu ule klahu genamaki UKG. Aluganu kiyade wahake genamaki Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Jack. Jack was hungry, so he decided to eat some food, but there wasn't any food. Jack's mother said to sell the cow for some food. Jack went out to the woods to sell the cow. A strange man wanted to buy the cow. Five magic beans. Then Jack went back home and showed the magic beans to his mother. Then Jack's mother threw them out of the window. Then, in the next morning, there was a huge beanstalk reaching through the clouds into the sky. Jack climbed up the beanstalk. Then, there was a huge castle in the sky with many rooms. Then, each room was filled with gold and treasure. Then, in the next room, there was many fruits. Jack decided to eat some of the fruits. While he was eating, he heard a loud snore. Jack peeped into the rooms and saw a golden goose laying golden eggs. Then Jack bent back down the beanstalk and Jack cut down the beanstalk, and then Jack and his mother lived happily ever after. Jazakumullah khairan.